Kennedy Agyapong, Kwasia mpenyi we gina the whole Ghana catch say yankotuma Bawumia. Kennedy ni Bawumia difference be ni wom.
It is also a big performance. Now to me lose over 2 million. Na ya sabe catch say mo fani panenko.
Kennedy is not stable. Akwa we catch say Bawumia an economist. Bawumia is a liar. Bawumia is fake. Mema Ghana for nji Bawumia ndi. Odane no be catch say Bawumia sorry or economist onim hute.
Samu power. Ghana for say mo de Kennedy Agyapong ba ya beto amamo.
San Kwasia for we difference. Maka say party we omo humu Ghana for say mo agimi. Ni nyina ye MPP ba ku we mu a. En Kwasia for we ya. This political party ye MPP no nyansani nim Kennedy Agyapong. No no ngasa ogina no yo okay. Sa asemesi agimi na onye candidate also bi atoma na. Wo Kennedy Agyapong. What shows is a winning nyansa I was here tomorrow. MPP for more Jimmy Omunina. Kennedy Agyapong no asem. O se MPP for more Jimmy kura ni asra. Obia and the Bawumia di o se Bawumia friend asemesi. O se MPP for more Jimmy kura no. Obia oko contest o lose 2 million votes. E den amosa tamsa ni pande some de ko another contest. Eye den obi ti se Champon. Champon wa o leadi Sags. E di omoko aye waso West wako. Eko bo ni patu.
Na ebusia yen share campaign ase anase yen starting campaign but Kennedy Agyapong was starting a Traitor jobs. Ma ne kasa mu no kyeremu se 2024 obi wani obi no yesi akuti awoyi enim nugura obi a orefren no Dr. Digitaman Bawumia no kyeremu se Bawumia lose 2 million votes na ye dan ana obi a wotumi lose 2 million votes yesan ede ne ba se yensa meto ne so aba na Kennedy kyeremu se Ghana ne MPP monto aba no emfama no na travia bebre wo ho a ode every Ghana for niema papa egu akwam na make say prophet Amoako Atta nso abeka kyere Ghana for se Nyankopon ya kyere se Kennedy and as a businessman bi ebedi di yeso Kevin Taylor so akasa ewo ho aha daily view GH so ya frame Dan Kwesi Prince mesel se oba no subscribe no share na abusia no atumi akoso akonanim na before me di Kennedy videos ni bi ni nsam ni bi maybe play bi a day actually on this episode is proudly brought to you by Charistic Company Limited. Omundro hindi heba mission kwaji bi uyo bia malaria, typhoid, diabetes, o blood pressure ni ade etai kosoro wasichire yare no won e kan ho sa na hu ba bia ho fa ene lower cholesterol ni bad cholesterol no kwaji eye hindi heba mission bi na inori amabobosu yi FDI yuma dia tum say you open do etu a okofumasi herbal stores a onsa ebeka mpanimfo ndo ya maboboso yi ebi abusia yamna yensam ne so na enano da June bosumi ana etoso ensia ne da na etoso enwotwe 8 June na etwam which is last weekend na etwam no na Kennedy Agyapong ene ni team no ewo Asante Mampon ni nyina mu nso no na Asante Mampon yi a na ekoso nti no oye ye ni nyina na nadwen san wo campaign so na ni campaign mu no de ko pie mu Asante Mampon one particular church bi ana e was abia ye ho ana ni kasem no wo kire mu se an wo hu se nkrofo bi pese omo ye Bawumia yodum yensan fa ne mra bium ana Kennedy se da bi o wasem we eka
Nti obi a pese o ka kire se yensan ma asomasi nko biamu a on starting kabakosam amu obi antie Akufuado esa court 2012 no wo winning and wo mu wi an e court mamuti decision and was like as odie minim se ma wini but some see nyam na me respect court no enti yanko ya hwe Akufuado performance the first time second time enti ni ade ni call the third time enti so you be performance now to me lose over 2 million na ya sabe ka kira se mo fani panenko na mayedi but emre ni du wa nokura de yabeka momate nokura no de yabeka momate samu power Ghana for say mo de Kennedy Agyapong ba yabeto amamo mo sa kwakem fia 9 fia nwotwebiem Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Mama yentie nia efomfo ka. Mama yentie nia Ghana fo ka. Asori dan ya muwamu, wo mu kasai. E ka utwi. Asori dan ya muwamu, wo mu kura wo ma batuo no, e kire so wo mu kasai. E bi so wo mu kai no, mo antie. Ayo se mo antie a, mo baji mu jejereje. Eni aji jejereje. Oh, campaign ebeye de papa.
Abusia ensem no de na ewa ene obo history papa e de kire edom ni nipa kakra na etwahia na ene ensem ne bai na man pipi mu so ache mienu ene obi e ka bi tutu bi e mane omo na ensem ni mu kire mu se yasi fiti 2023 ana na chese wa mini Bawumia papa na this is the right time we betumi abbo na adwen e de akire no meda me ka say prophet Amoako Atta enso abekire mu se Yankopon yi akire ne se businessman bi be tam Ghana ya benwa no e Ghana presidency no Ghana businessman bi ne be tam aso a
I have already seen the contest in there. But who be ane? Go them sorry me come say this and that 2020 this is going to happen this. BBS there. I was there. I'm watching it. You can think it. I'm a seer. Now watch this. Now we can 5 years 2029 2019 to 2025 and yet 5 years. The next 4 years, I see there is a course. There is a day. Now watch me. A nipa binti, unyame be shire nipa bi for free. Now, for these two parties, God is going to bless some people very dangerously. For nowhere, God is going to do that. I'm going to what I say. So there is a shift. I'm going to talk to the other people. A baby will be young, you my way. Every politician, some. I am a business people.
Abusia ensem ni bi eno no na ensem no akoso ame na make say Kelvin Ekobedu tell akire mu say Bawumia enye credible ana eye Kennedy nso enye credible nti MPP sabi aburu sabi impredua say obi o MPP mu bia no na adwen e wo fom
Agyapong no wejidwam o say magimi kura no o say MPP fo magimi kura no magimi no obi a okọ contest a o lose 2 million votes magimi kura no magimi no Eden amusa tam sa nipa no some de ko another contest. Agyapong no asem. O se MPP for magimi kura ni asra. Magimi kura ni asra no. Obi a ende o Bawumia di o se Bawumia fred asemesi. Mo. Agyapong fred Bawumia asemesi. Agyapong ono fred Bawumia asemesi. Ala Bawumia fred akwa no. Magimi brutal. Agyapong iti sa MPP muntumi me nton kwaje mmole meka banku ni se we mo magimi omnyina Agyapong say mo MPP fo magimi kura ni asra no nipa e friend no asemesi Bawumia ekọ contest no koye no o lose 2 million votes ma me kire e bia mo 2 million ase mo Kumasi Sports Stadium se ebo peso a 50,000 Oh, Kumasi Sports Stadium. Messias, calculate Kumasi Sports Stadium. How many Kumasi Sports Stadium? Abo peso and ye benya 2 million. Se Kumasi Sports Stadium ma peso nebi and na etaltarpo asek mi mo sedi kotokobo anazamalek anase eye Esperance. Abo peso paano ayama no 55,000. Bawumia we lose 55,000 votes. Bawumia lose 2 million. 2 million. Kumasi Sports Stadium 100,000. Another Kumasi Sports Stadium 100,000 and 200,000 per. Into Kumasi Sports Stadium 4 per. Enyendru ho. Ni asadi another Kumasi Sports Stadium sa 4 account and 800,000. Still ni padu do mutuma Bawumia enyendru yo. Ni asadi another 100,000 account. Na 900,000. Into Kumasi Sports Stadium kwa poly. Just say, oh, per 2 million. Mr. P. Mr. S. Kumasi Sports Stadium kwa 40. And I'm not to tia Bawumia. 40. About peso 40. About peso 40. Kumasi Sports Stadium, I am massa 40. 1, 2, 3, 40. And I'm so more gun on some Bawumia. It's Kennedy said, Mwejimi Kurano. Mwejimi Kurana, mwe MPP for Mwejimi Kurano. Sa nipa we are losing elections with over 2 million. I had then a Mosadi Asimesi Saba. Now the question to Agyapong and I say, no one can so general, you okay? Sa Asimesi Jimmy, na onye candidate also be a Tomana. wo Kennedy Agyapong what shows is say wunim nyansa e wo se toma eti Kennedy ni Bawumia difference be ne wom Kennedy Bawumia Brand Champon san Kwasiafo we difference maka just a party we omuhumu Ghana fo se mo agimi on se Brand Champon watena why who say party no penyin nim leader nim omomudi nim na agimi they are not competent into so we scabi da baby ono se dey ba be contest omumienu and the Kennedy catch them MPP for say or see mwejimi kura na se bi omu nim nyansa kura no obia Kumasi Sport Stadium nkwa 40 Ghana for aboma omu nyina so montoma no na mokoto ama no but this is the same Kennedy Agyapong Kwasia mpenyi we gina the whole Ghana catch say yankotoma Bawumia even before making this statement before Bawumia contested John Mahama Kennedy catch Ghana for nyina say Bawumia is a fake economist okay can san sem nyina wie owie no so be catch say yanya den yankotoma Bawumia Kennedy is not stable Kennedy Agyapong okache say before yakoto aba no ka say Bawumia anya economist or trufo one ne yire omo ya sansafo omo nka no kore e omo nam Ghana say economist dien na cedi na ekọ ne dollar na ekọ ba Kennedy Agyapong ne ka kire before election 2024 o say Bawumia anya economist anche no dane no ho be ka kire say yankotoma Bawumia na Bawumia be die so akwa we ka kire say Bawumia anya economist Bawumia is a liar Bawumia is fake. Mema Ghana for nji Bawumia ndi. Odane no beka che say Bawumia sorry or economist onim hute. Ade chi no kwaje Mike and also nipa obetime save Ghana pa Bawumia. And Ghana for kache ba Kennedy so moji si ejimi ohun. Ana oju say nwan. And Ghana for 2 million etutia de Bawumia. Ade chi ya Kennedy Agyapong beka kire say sesi ano Bawumia de wajimi na me na menim nyansa wona wokofa binibra ye se vitamins ye dia ye ho betoye no wode ma wokofo de wie no omudi wie ka se adena de abom nya no be ka che se yesi ade wo na onim nyansa wo na wo ne Kennedy Agyapong ne Bawumia ne Brand Champon nyansa be na wo mutirim you people have no shame bugi si ye jimi na nkenya Ghana na ye jimi a eye den na obi ti se Brand Champon Brand Champon a olidi sags edi omoko aye waso west wako ekobo ni patuo a commissioner sat down to issue a paper said this guy needs to be reprimanded I didn't Brand Champon to me kase me person be president ni nyina ye MPP ba ku we mu a enkwasiafo we ya these people they don't respect Ghanaians our intelligence omo we say ye Jimmy and that then we need to eat their shit all the time. In terms of the master to because even in the party, no, you nimo be onimi nyansa or you cleaner or you intelligent enough to lead them to convince us Ghanaians say this person can lead Ghana. And anytime catch Ghana for say the 42 years, no, it is not just a word and that's a statement it is a statement. I was say a boom because this political party MPP no nyansani nim. Yeah. Omudi also matadi di atem ena Bawumia owi na Bawumia small boy dirty boy bi some dirty boy or your aid to Bawumia their response of Mark Kennedy or say Kennedy Agyapong Kwasia mpenyi udi MP 24 years or asin ewo eden asin south to sadien udi MP 24 years u free so went man for MPP ni so we sansani small boy we o ena Bawumia small say me dey mintumi koka if you say me de me ko kampe ebedane asem to wo ko ka kire Kennedy ena sa boy we ye frɛ no Akbar de bi omo yusu ntafo ne di Kwasia asem Akbar ko ka kire Kennedy say for 24 years otena parliament 24 years odi MPP ni mo parliament every any constituency all free so otumi di MPP ni si so oye sansani ena Bawumia small boy say ko di Kennedy atam no we Jimmy this is the political party that you expect me to sit here and say what Ghanaians vote for them. These are foolish idiots. Omunimunyansa. They think say ye nyina ye ti Ghana no ye nwan ye de sa abronye ye dwere ti se chema wutumi ye ho kankan de se kedjemfu a enti ye no ye sori a ye molemolefo ukuni ye ba mo. They still see say I say uku apema apembaba. And these people just don't give us any they don't respect us. And Bawumia so small boy could did atem Kwasia mpenyi odi matem. Until right now in Ghana today, Your three candidates are almost one person belly a MPP. Now you better abamomo. Brian Champon. We di boys se nima botuo Brian Champon. We di sags se nim amama omutuo. Emma commissioner tenase. Emma say Brian Champon you wudini. But on the base of the party, no, they be a nine. They don't think. The party is built out of lies. They believe in their own lies. If the omudin Kwasia some kwana what in more almost won't pay us where you two for them. That is the party. Brother Champo who's somewhere Jimmy Moore. He's capitalizing on their foolishness. Intende? Bawumia so asman small boy. Kwa check it so oya Kwasia P. Now no the MP 24 years no. O free a MP seat no. Utumi the NDC need na wana. Otumi the MPP ni etna swana. These are the same people na Kennedy Gina Parliament. E-levy by Kennedy betting tax Kennedy emission tax Kennedy all the taxes said about Parliament. Bawumia ko endorse our cabinet. Kennedy Agyapong brand champion omu nyina tena Parliament egitumu and then Kwasia fo say ye mo mbedi Ghana so. You see the nonsense. You see the foolishness from these people. They don't respect us because omuji say nyina adwene te sa abronye. Omuji say nyina ejimi say chema untumi. Omuji say adwene wo fom. So every opportunity they get, they think we are all stupid. This is the NPP.
Abusia ensam no ma bɔ ne chefa ma bɔ ne don komi na me dia ba be som na na me ka say die any attention na ba be ginam be di kan ka che o say Kennedy we nya first time wa draw anas we true short e dia ma Bawumia 2023 na Bawumia vice president ana na Kufu Ado ye president enti na Kennedy true short be the manuma omumienu ebo mu ne ade mananse na MPP thank you to no kra na Kennedy ka ho bi obi nim de ba ya sisi Kennedy say ware drama na make say o true Jackson e de mane omu abusia e be kwaso de ane ade nsem na chi na de beto fun bia ba de be mahwefo ane atie phones ehu mesrew so ba no ma kasa fidie na da wa subscribe wa share wa comment every baby a hwe free na abusia no etumi akoso akonanim na before mekra meja mo ami akono Charistic Company Limited za me shane za capsules no kwagibi se uyobi ahonamani santa ya de how any bacteria infertility or reproductive problems na ubohu abeja so hu bebia wonfa ya de anu aduro emfa za man capsules ni za me shane be mo gina so brane kwagibi na bibia no entumi enimu na ndre amabobo so FD ayum aja tum se ye opendo eto akofoma se ba store sa onsa ebeka mpanifo ndre bi e from Dan Kwasi Prince Macau.